Good morning, everyone. My name is Jory May Arreglo, 42-year-old. I have 4 kids, 2 boys and 2 girls, and single mom. I worked before in Macau for 5 years, and I have experience for newborn baby and godmother. And I take care of the elderly there. And also here in Philippines, I work as a nanny for a new 4 months old baby. And I have a 2 siblings. I have brother and I have 1 sister. I am the breadwinner of my family, and I work hard for them, and as much as I can, I will do the best and give the best future for my children. If you hire me, I will give my love and full support to your own, as like my own children. And I'm willing to work hard